to discover the different animal species that are found in this zoo. So we will be going inside and seeing the different animals that are found in here. So guys, we are here at the Pipli Zoo. We have a hippopotamus lying here. It's a very huge one. That's it. So those are the hippopotamus here. Find them right behind me. Here we have two leopards lying right in front of me. You can see them here. So beautiful. One is sleeping and the other is observing. We are about to visit is that of a hyena. So let's go in and see how a hyena looks like. So we have one hyena lying right here. Hyena. So this makes a total of 2 hyenas found in this fence. This is one. I think the first one is up. Let's look at it. This is it standing right here. Wow. So beautiful. Here in this fence we can see a lion. That's a lion lying right behind, but it's not that visible. It's very far from here, so I couldn't capture it so well. camera. Here we have an antelope. It's feeding from grass. So we have just a single antelope here. We have some crocodiles. This is one, and the other.